Hi, welcome to Phonespeak IVR tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create IVR for your account. First, log into account.phonespeak.com and put in your Phonespeak credential. On the left panel, click on Company Number. On the right, you can see My Company. Click on Call Handling and Send to IVR. A pop-up menu will appear. Put in an IVR name and click on the drop-down menu for input. For this, I will put 1 and route it to Sales Team. Click the plus button to add more. For 2, I will route it to Support Team. Last, I will route 0 to myself as operator. Click the Add button once is done. You can also customize the greeting by clicking the button on the right. For this, I will choose Type and it will convert text to speech. Put in the greeting name and greetings you want to play. Click Play to listen to the greeting. Remember to click Save once is all done. Now, your account is set up with IVR. Your caller will have options to choose which they want to connect to. Thank you for using Phonespeak and have a great day.